It's the Tom and Haley Show.
Road trip.
Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm Haley.
And we're taking a road trip today on this hot day to one of our favorite places.
Longwood Garden.
So that's right, we're here at Longwood Gardens. They're having a special light installation by artist Bruce Munro. And they're going to turn these things on at night. So we got to wait for it to get dark. And we saw last time that Bruce Munro was here was like 10 years ago. So we saw this was up and we're like, we definitely have to go. Because it may be another 10 years. So there's seven illuminated stations we're going to check out tonight. And so we're just going to hang out, play in the fountains, and wait for it to get dark. And there's a nice breeze, so it's not as hot as we thought it was going to be. Haley's blasting rainbows again at Longwood Gardens, as is tradition. Haley, look at the full rainbow. How was it blasting rainbows out of your hands? Awesome. That's Haley's superpower. so that was our trip, seeing the Bruce Munro Illuminations at Longwood Gardens. Boy, are our legs tired. So we got a whole bunch of video footage to comb through, right?
Yeah.
Haley's driving, right? And I'm... Comments below. Thumbs up. Like and follow. Follow us on our social media. And we'll see you on our next trip. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe by hitting the Krusty the Clown. That's for the world is seen by Tom. If you want to see other adventures of Tom and Haley, there's a link also on this board, and the channel has other projects we've done in the past and new adventures coming up, especially road trips, which is one of our favorites. Thank you.